Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create Credentialized with Cigna. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Getting Credentialized with Cigna means becoming an in-network provider so you can offer services to Cigna members and get reimbursed by them. To do it, what you need to do first is confirm your eligibility. Make sure you meet all the state licensing and certification requirements for your specific specialty and practice type. Have your education, training, license, your and malpractice insurance details ready. Then next what you need to do is register or contact Cigna by simply visiting the Cigna provider website and then look for join our network or credentialing section. You may need to create a profile or login if you have an existing Cigna provider portal account. Then complete the credentialing application by using the CAQH ProView system for credentialing. Then once done, submit the required documents like completed CAQH profile, copies of licenses, certification and diplomas, malpractice insurance proof, work history and professional reference, and any other documents Cigna requests. Then once done, wait for verification, and if approved, you receive a contract outlining terms, reimbursement rates and responsibilities. Review and sign the contract, and you're officially credentialized once Cigna processes your signed contract. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.